Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany Rosenbaum and I'm a part-time reseller, full-time mommy. I just want to start off by saying thank you to all the overwhelming support that I had in my last video about my lawsuit and all of the encouragement and everybody sharing it. I have reached so many people and it's just continuing to grow, and I'm just so glad to be able to help other people in maybe their time of need and to know what to look out for. I did end up filming that video last year. Some of you thought it might have been new. It is not new. It happened last year. I filmed it last year, but was just kind of in my head a little bit due to the case and a lot of other things just going on. So this is my first video that I've actually filmed in quite some time. As you see, some things have changed. I got bangs. And I am in my office. I completely redid my office. There's a lot of things on the floor right now because I have a lot of stuff going on and my kids like to be in here while I work. But in today's video, I'm actually going to talk about the eBay slowdown and what I'm doing to kind of compensate in the meantime. If you are a reseller, big or small, you're probably feeling the fact that eBay users are not getting many views on their videos lately, and the organic impressions are down, and it's just hard for full-time and part-time resellers alike. I've seen many videos about it. My reseller friends are telling me that they're feeling it too. So if you are in a position where maybe you don't really need your money from reselling to pay the bills, great. However, some of us really do need the money to pay bills, and what can you do in the meantime? So I'm just going to take us what I am doing. This all started because I saw an ad pop up on my Facebook a couple of weeks ago for a company that they wash clothes. It's called Sudshare, and they wash clothes, but they hire people as 1099 people, kind of like Uber or DoorDash or Shipped, but they take people's clothes and then they wash them, fold them, and then deliver them back the next day. And I thought that was kind of interesting, but also at the same time, it was kind of just in the back of my head. But then eBay sales kept tanking, and so I said, you know what, this might be kind of easy. The washing machine does all of the work for the most part, and I could do it while home with my daughter. So, but I also thought, I'm an entrepreneur at heart. Why, give some of the money to this company when I could just do it myself and take all of the money? So I kind of my own little side hustle for the meantime, and I'm going to be doing laundry while I list. And it's really nice because I can do it alongside the reselling too, and I'm helping out other mommies who maybe are just struggling getting the laundry done. If you're a mom at all, you know that laundry can be hard because it's never ending. It's just never done. And if you have a bigger family or you have lots of kids, you know how hard it is. So I am going to be folding laundry around my local town. I made a business page and I'm just promoting it, hopefully until sales pick back up, unless this picks up back up big, but I do plan on doing them side by side just because, I can run the washing machine while I list, and then I can fold the clothes in the evening while we're watching TV as a family or anything like that, and my family can help, swap out clothes from the laundry as well. So I'm charging $1 per pound. If you guys don't know, the average load of laundry is about 10 pounds. Some are more, some are less, but $1 a pound, and I'm only doing local to me, so I'm not driving a bunch or anything like that, and we're going to see how it goes. I start this week, and that is my plan for now to supplement the low sales on eBay. I also do plan on listing more on Mercari, Facebook, and Poshmark, just because I don't think that they're having as many issues with the algorithm or anything like that. I do know for me personally, my sales are always lower on those sites anyway, just because they don't bring in the amount of people that eBay does. But, you got to do something. So that is something that I'm going to do. Also, I have been approved to start selling on Whatnot, and I've been kind of toying with the idea on if I was going to do it or not. I have to still schedule my onboarding session, and I might actually film that if I can. I have to look up if they have guidelines against that, but just to help people who might be interested in wondering what the onboarding process is like. So I'm going to be scheduling my onboarding call here shortly. And then I will probably start selling on Whatnot, at least to see how I like it. I know that people are saying that it doesn't really work that well unless you have a big following, but I do have some smaller items that are just not worth selling on eBay or anything like that, just because I wouldn't make the amount back. But even if I can get a couple bucks off of them, selling them on Whatnot, it might be worth my time and effort in doing that. So that is my plan while the eBay is slowing down. And if you guys are doing something to supplement, or maybe you're just taking a break, I don't know, let me know what you guys are doing, or if you have any other suggestions on what I can do to supplement my income while eBay is going down. It used to be when you would list more, and you would get more sales. And right now there's just something going on that is just not making that true. So go ahead and tell me in the comments what you guys are going to do, or if you're going to do anything at all. And let me know if you guys want to see more about the Whatnot onboarding process. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks.